I'm going to talk about natural materials program. I'll start with the introduction, concentrating on the importance of using natural materials. After that, I'll talk about the 3 undertaken projects, and finally, I'll end this presentation with acknowledgement. The Natural Materials Program is a major part of the sustainable living component at the Royal Botanic Garden, and it reflects the idea of living in harmony with the earth. It includes clay, sediments, and earth materials. This program emphasizes on the importance of using natural materials because natural materials are ecologically friendly, because they have lower carbon footprint than other materials like cement, for example, widespread availability and lower cost, as well as the more we understand the importance of using natural materials locally sourced, the easier and cheaper even it will be for us to construct eco-friendly buildings. Creating a healthy living component. Both lime and burnt bricks are breathable, which means that they balance the moisture content in the internal atmosphere with the building, and consequently creating a healthy living environment. Using natural materials in the building blends the structure in the surrounding environment, and this is why we are saying here aesthetic value. This program includes and divided into 3 projects. The first one is burnt bricks project, which is based basically on extracting clay sediments from King Talal dams. It aims to increase the dam's capacity, to center the dangerous sediments, and to produce burnt bricks, which will be used later in the eco-friendly buildings at Royal Botanic Garden. The second project, duplicating ancient mortar and plaster, it's based on carrying out reverse engineering for the ancient lime mortar and plaster, which have been taken from different archaeological sites, in order to be analyzed, and upon this scientific analysis, the recipes will be dressed and reconstruct. The aim of this project also to be used this lime mortar and plaster in the water harvesting system and eco-friendly building in the RBG. October Palace, one of the archaeological places where we took some samples from there. The third project, imitating Nabataean backed clay water pipes and forming pots from King Talal Dam sediments. This project also depending on extracting the clay from the King Talal Dam. This project aims to test the formability of the clay with minimum additives, also using local oxides, training the local community for pottery making and decoration, and finally producing different vessels, plant pots, the pipes. Finally, I would like to thank Returning Expert Program GIZ for the major equipment subsidy that they gave us for the ceramic workshop. I'm grateful also to King Talal Dam Directorate, and especially the King Talal Dam director, engineer Zaidoun El Jamal, and his staff there for their great help in exactly and mainly in extracting the clay. Also, I would like to thank Mr. Isam Sirat and Amani Jaber from the Pottery Hut for their great help and in testing the clay and in the preparation of the clay. Thanks a lot. And now, Dr. Adi Said from Royal Scientific Society will talk about burnt bricks projects in details.